happy Tuesday.
Whoa, happy Tuesday.
Wow. The prodigal son has returned after a week of blissful
I didn't go anywhere.
thesis research. Not talking about you, I'm talking about myself. Just like, this is my bit.
Okay.
This is my bit. So Matt has made me, I have not been here for a week. Matt has allegedly made a, blackberry and basil simple syrup. And I'm about to try this in real time, but Matt, tell us a little bit about this syrup.
So I just wanted some spring flavors, so I thought blackberry. I think they come in the spring. All I know is they taste better than basil. Everything starts growing again in your herb garden, so go grab some basil. And then I just threw in just a touch of vanilla, just to, give it a little something special.
Give it that secret Matt that everyone likes.
Not so secret, but yeah, exactly.
Let me give this thing a try. Real quick before I do, where can people get this?
I mean, come to the pop-up. Come to the Holly Springs Alma Coffee Roastery. There's a pop-up in the back. We want to serve you coffee. If you need something refreshing, grab an iced blackberry basil latte. Do it.
Which is what I'm about to do. So here we go. Oh my goodness. Whoa. It's the first time, seriously, this is the first time in months I've felt anything close to pleasure. So I can assure you, Matt, that this was a great experience. You're going to want this latte. You're going to want Matt to make you this latte.
I don't know how to do it, but I'll make it.
Yeah. Well, you can make it at home, but it's not the same as Matt making it, and that's why you need to come to our pop-up. So come get it. I'm signing off. Matt, here you go.
I've been waiting for this moment all of my life.